I've waited a long time to do this. Like you saying it was worth the wait and stuff.
Nah. I just like listening to your hiccups. Aw, puppy. You're so cute.
Puppy.
You are my puppy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not puppy.
Yes, you are. You sound like one. You're such a puppy.
Not a puppy. I'm an alpha.
No, you're not. You're a puppy. You're small pupper, and I love small pupper because
I'm
you know.
not pupper.
Yes, you are. You are pupper,
I'm
and you're my
alpha.
pupper. You are pupper, and you're my pupper. Nothing can change that. Nothing. That didn't sound like a hiccup. That sounded like a scream.
Why does my hiccup sound like
How'd you even get the hiccups? What'd you eat?
something? Actually, I drank something very fast.
Oh, that's why. Because usually you get hiccups when either you drink or you eat too fast.
Yep. And I regret my decision.
Exactly. But I
I'm
don't
gonna
want you to
mute.
regret it because you're small pupper and I love you and you're so cute.
I'm muting my mic.
No, don't mute your mic. No, I sad now. I'm sad. I'm sad. French fries.
Leave me alone. They're not that cute.
Yes, it is. You can't change the fact that you're cute.
When is it gonna go away?
About an hour.
Did it go away yet? I think it went away finally.
Don't be too sure. It could surprise you at any moment.
Really? What? The chance? I hate my life.
Don't say that. I'm part of your life, aren't I? So that means you hate me.
You know?
Exactly.
I don't hate you. I think it finally went
Would you ever hate?
away.
Would you ever hate me at some point?
No. Unless you did something very, very bad.
Oh.
But I'm gonna tell you this. Wendy,
Yeah.
you gotta go over rules now, okay? Because
Rules.
things have changed a lot. And you know what kind of change I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
Oh my god. Why are they back?
What?
They're back. I hate these picks. I hate these picks so much.
Are you angry? Are you angry at the hiccups? Are you at your cute little puppy hiccups?
Yes.
You really are a baby Zemazenta.
Leave me alone. I found a ball.
My Zamazenta.
I'm wild.
No, you're a pupper. You're baby.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
And you have to be my vocal.
Huh?
And you have to be my
Alright.
You have to be my vocal.
You're adult?
You're vocal.
Oh. Wait. Are you talking?
Yes, you.
No, I know you're talking. I know you're talking to me, but like, Yveltal is a completely different Pokemon from Zamazenta.
I know. And
The
yet,
Are
are
you
different
talking? Are you
from
talking
both.
about the sword Pokemon?
No, no, no.
No. Oh my god. Someone's angry.
You have to be the Y Pokemon.
Why? Wait.
I need to get rid of these things fast. I'm getting rid
Wait. If
of
you're
these
gonna be
things.
Zamazenta, then who's gonna be you? Who's gonna be this bad boy?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Nick could be it.
No, 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 no. No. We don't. We do that. No. Either way, I don't want to be Yveltal. If anybody, I want to be Zygarde. I like
Oh,
Yveltal. Yveltal's pretty
okay.
cool, but I don't want to be it. I don't want to be the symbolization of death. Who would want to be that? Why not
Me,
me?
I was.
You're edgy.
You know what? In fact, get rid of these. I'm gonna shut my mouth.
What? What'd you say? Are you gonna repeat what you said?
I'm gonna shut my mouth.
No. I thought you said you were gonna shove your.
I
I
really
thought.
want to get rid of these.
What? Didn't hear you that time.
I want to get rid of these.
Nah. Never. You'll forever be my baby.
Get ready! Also, Wendy,
Yeah?
I found this little comic.
Found this little. What?
Found comic. And it disappeared. I found that.
Aww. Oh. Hold up, let me do something. Let me do something.
Even baby Xerneas can totally evolve.
Am I Xerneas and you're Yveltal in this comic?
Yep, because you're short. See, even short people can beat tall people. That's what it's supposed to represent.
Aww.
Since you're smaller, you're basically shorter. I'm bigger
I'm
because I'm taller.
offended.
No, but see, I'm bigger, yet you're smaller. But in real life, you're shorter. Yeah, I'm taller. But in the comic, it shows that you just headbutt me and then I die.
Aw. Don't say
I'm
that.
dripping
I
blood.
don't want you to
I'm
die. But
dripping blood.
I defeat you. That's what you're implying.
Mm,
I don't want you to
you,
die, okay, D.
you use your cuteness power on me, and that's why I had a nosebleed.
Aw. You think I'm cute?
Yes, clearly in the comic you are.
I'm not cute, but okay.
And you can tell by that little sweat on the side of my face. I'm nervous, seeing that you're smaller than me. Then once you do that, I already knew what was gonna happen. That's very cute though. I like it. Guess what?
But
You can be whatever you want. I'm done.
okay. Um. So Lee,
Hmm?
love you. Aw. You could say I love you, but you can't kiss me. I will forever cherish this moment.
They're never gonna wash your face again. Just kidding.
Excuse me, what?
You're basically never gonna wash your face again. Oh, guess what? Your baby
What?
shield Pokemon. Your baby shield Pokemon is gone now.
No.
Wanna know why?
Why?
Because a new Pokemon appeared.
Aww, you're so small and cute.
So now that I can fly, I can leave you. You can't catch me if I'm in the air though.
I have wings too.
Well, since I'm smaller, I'm faster. Since I'm smaller than you, I'm faster than you.
But that doesn't mean I can't catch up. You're the one who told me I'm light. My God, you're so loud. What is wrong with you?
Yeah, here I am thinking I'm the louder one. I mean, hey, so thinking about this is how it would put then questioning if I'm your Veltor, and if you were Zygarde, who would be Xerneas?
I don't mind being Xerneas.
So then if you were Xerneas, who would be Zygarde?
Nick, it's obvious. The green.
Oh boy, I'm red.
You want to be blue instead?
But then you would be red.
I don't mind being red. There's no yellow, so red also includes black. So there's also black, and black is one of my favorite colors.
Ooh, good. Well, I
All
like being the red. So I'm staying with Volto.
right.
If I'm being honest, the Volto looks like the male. Xerneas looks like the female. Zygarde looks like a robot.
Yeah, I
That's
think.
just what he looks. He's just a cell. That's what he is. He's millions of cells.
Well, yeah,
He's a snake cell.
he's
He's a snow. He's a cell from a snake, basically.
well. There's also the big Power Ranger, the big Power Ranger form thing.
You mean his 100%?
What?
You mean his 100%?
Yeah, I keep forgetting we call it by numbers: 100%, 50%, 25%.
You know, his 25% looks like a Houndoom for sure. That's all I gotta say.
Well, it's supposed to be based. It's supposed to be based off a hound dog, and Houndoom is the hound dog of the series. So I don't know what else to tell you.
No wonder why it looks so much like Houndoom.
Bruh. What is it, blah?
I'm going to oblivion you!
Why? Because I said blah.
No, you're being rude to me!
I said blah, not
Don't make me
bruh.
do it!
I said
Don't make me
blah.
do it!
I said blah.
You know
I'm
what?
making fun of
Fine, I'll do it!
myself. I'm making fun of myself. Why are you so upset?
Hey, this. Did I kill you? Oh man, that sucks.
Sorry.
Why do I have to be so small?
You're the one who decided to be a baby.
What, so you want me to be a big man?
I
Or do you
mean,
want me to stay as a baby?
I like my big boy.
I'm staying as a baby. I'm staying like that forever.
No!
You're never playing with me because you can't play with a kid. You can't play with a baby. Haha.
Bruh, don't be like that. I was just joking anyways. You know I can't do that.
No, but you still can do it in RPs now since I'm a kid. Because remember, whatever happens to me, if something like this happens to me, it happens to the other universe. So right now, they're probably all questioning why all the other leaves are small too. Yeah, they're all babies. I really hope those universes don't actually bug me. I really hope. You love me.
All right. Well, Lee, you want to know something? Lee, you
What?
want to know something?
Yeah.
I've been recording,
You've been recording everything.
including the hiccups.
On what?
I'm gonna be sending it to YouTube.
Gosh, your turn! Don't make me